Overcome challenge. This is our spirit. As a market leader in construction and structural repair, we aim for excellence. Our passion, pooling our talent to find the most efficient and sustainable solution. From the familiar to the most exceptional project, our approach is always the same, combining our global expertise, local experience and specialist capabilities to create or adapt the best technical and economic solution to respond to our clients' needs. Pioneering in civil engineering since its inception, Freyssinet has always delivered integrated technical solutions from design to implementation in a broad array of structures. Excitement and enthusiasm are inseparable from technical expertise and technology. This is why we are very proud of our teams. At the core of our business are our men and women, and their safety is our priority. We focus on best practice and reducing the risks in all activities. The safe way is the only way. In over 70 countries, our 7,500 employees are involved year by year to meet your needs. All around the world, men and women share a culture of service and team spirit. That's why at Freyssinet, we make a point of promoting integration, diversity, and equal opportunities, as well as developing skills in our people for long-term employability. Altogether at Freyssinet, we strive for innovation and commit to the future. Your project is unique. Our solutions are bespoke. Let's build them together.